Good morning students, welcome to science class. We are reading Light, Sound and Force chapter 6. Today our topic is to read about force. This is our last topic of this chapter, force. The people in figure 6.9 are doing some work. This is figure 6.9. Here in one picture, here in a picture of a girl is doing something, and in the picture of B, a lady is doing something. They are either pushing or pulling something. Yes, pushing and pulling something. When we push or pull something, what we apply? We apply force and do work. This push or pull is called force. Okay. Force can do many things, like force can move an object, force can stop a moving object, force can change the shape of an object. If you will see these figures, you will find out here is a girl playing with a car. So what force is doing here? Force can move an object. Okay. Here a girl is playing with a football. What force is doing here? Force can stop a moving object. In the third picture, a girl is playing with the blocks. What force is doing here? Force can change the shape of an object. Okay. So, force can do anything. Okay. So, we have finished our chapter here. Let's read words to know. Source, from where something starts. Luminous, that which gives light. Revolves, moves around. Now let's quick recap. Light helps us to see the world around us. Luminous, objects which give us light. When something comes in the way of light or blocks the path of light, a shadow is formed. Some sounds are pleasant, some are not. An unpleasant sound is called noise. Pushing or pulling something means applying force. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to read the full chapter properly, and then you will do exercises A, B and C by yourself. Okay. So till the time, have a nice day and take care.